Morning. We're gonna go do some major hike today. My friend Parker's telling me about this. It's like a hike up Buck Mountain. It's a 40-minute drive to the trailhead. And then from there, I'm just gonna take my time. Hopefully not see any bears. God damn it. This is some spooky stuff back here, and this road is terrible. That's alright. This will be fun to see with for the next hour. Just gearing up. The bag, be a long one. Oh, I'm scared of bears. He's gonna come fucking rape my ass. But who gives a fuck? Into the wild. It's gonna be a long hike. I'm also gonna try and wear these barefoot shoes for this whole thing. Yeah, dog. Spooky out here. I just heard an elk bugle for the first time out in the wild. That was sick. Straight ahead of me, honestly. So from Parker's directions he gave me, there it was. But anyways, Parker said it's right before the 3rd footbridge. That's what we're looking at. So if I come back this way just a little bit, I'm guessing this is it. Said it's pretty distinct. You guys probably can't tell, but I can. It looks pretty distinct. Let's send it. This is where the bears will be. I don't know if the GoPro will pick this up, but this looks amazing already. It's supposed to rain today. I don't really care. Always dry off. I got rainproof gear. Beautiful. It's a soaked. I hear a lot of water. Holy shit. Been just over an hour, 1.6 miles. I've climbed just short of 1,000 feet already. Maybe not already, but I'm taking my time. Oh yeah, it's hailing if you guys can't see it. Look at it. It's hailing. How fun. Yes, it's hailing. It's sunny at the peak though. So the reason my legs and my shoes are soaked already is because I gotta walk through this. Oh God. How much longer? Parker, I hope this is the way you took up this fucking rock fall. It's not very fun. And everything's wet. And it's steep as shit. And I'm only like halfway through. Getting hailed on again. Here. Fuckers really don't give a shit I'm up here. There's pros to getting off the trail. I seen them deer. I'm kind of making my own way, which is always fun. You guys see the trail I'm supposed to be on right here? Whoops. Sometimes you just gotta send it, and I might send it down this cliff here. Everything's wet, the shoes are soaked and not grippy. Holy fuck, that's steep. Oh shit. Doing alright. Not even joking. Happy to be up here. No, that's not sarcasm. I think drinking out of this might be an idea. Getting to see the snow early this year. That's so awesome. I think it says it's 44 degrees out where I'm at right now. Probably a little colder. It's crazy up here, dude. It's snowing on me in September. I love it. Making some progress. Chilling here eating some jerky under this rock. Made it up this far. 4 miles, almost 3 hours. Started at 6,800 elevation. Now we're at 9,300. Getting up here, man. I'm at 98,000 feet. Climbing up through this scree is not fun. Ah, shit. What a climb up to this lake. I think it's called Timberland. I'm gonna look though. Just under 6 miles. Over 3,200 feet elevation gain, and I got here just about 4 hours. Been sitting here for a while. Not much to see anymore, god damn it. Took too long.
That's where I got lost, was up there. Saw them deer came down the slope. The path goes around it. So we'll take that way this time. Making pretty good time on the way down. This part of the trail is not too bad. I probably took something up there, up onto the top of this, which looks steep as shit from here, and it was. I took the wrong way pretty early. That's where I ended up on. Holy shit. Yeah, we started. Jesus Christ, I about lost it. If you're ever climbing up Buck Mountain and you get to the trail, you can either go this way, which I did, which wasn't very fun, or across the stream, there's the other trail, and it's way easier. Damn it. This is where I was at, right when the light was peeking up. And this is what I was walking through in the dark. I was a little scared to see a bear. Still am. Fuck yeah, it's the main trail. Holy shit, the third footbridge. Remember that? Let's go. 6.5 hours in, almost 10 miles. Home sweet home. God damn. Ascended 3,700 feet. Total trip was 6 hours, 40 minutes, and 30 seconds. Just over 10 miles. Ready to get this fucker off me. That was fun. Check that out. 1.5 mile an hour average. 2,070 calories burned. God damn. I think from here on I'm gonna go make some food. Probably where I did yesterday, at that one spot. Head into town, make some videos. Probably do laundry. I don't entirely need to, but I might as well. And then I'm chilling, man. 10 miles, it's 1 o'clock. Climbed 3,000 feet. I'm good. I don't need to go hike anymore. Let's get these fucking soaked things off of my feet. It's like driving up a waterfall. Here, let's see. Well, I've been chilling, editing some videos. Probably gonna find some food. Call it a day. Today's hike's got me bong, 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 bong. Whatever that means. Don't know what I have planned for tomorrow. We'll figure that out later. Make life how you want it to be. Peace.